Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the antiseptic and its use, and now in this topic we are going to talk about disinfectant and their uses. So what are those? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, in this topic let us understand disinfectants, and disinfectants are also in the category of antimicrobial. So let us understand that is, the disinfectants are applied to the non-living objects to kill the microorganisms, used in public health sanitation, floors, to sterilize instruments, etc. So in the previous two topics, that is whenever we have discussed about antibiotic and antiseptic, so they were killing the microorganisms, or they were stopping the growth of microorganisms that was related to our body, or that was related to the living body. But now this is disinfectant. So this is the one that has a function to kill microorganisms, but for a non-living substance on which basically the microorganisms are, and that's the reason they are known as disinfectants. So where they are used and what are the uses of that, let me talk about it. So the uses of the disinfectants are, that is in the form of chlorine. That is, chlorine is used in swimming pools because it has a capacity to purify the swimming pool water by killing all the bacteria, and not only in swimming pools, but in fact it is used to clean the wastewater also. Talking about the next one, that is phenol. So phenol is also widely used in cleaning the floors, and in fact even nowadays also phenols are being used. So talking about the next one, that is sulfur dioxide. So sulfur dioxide is used in food industries. The reason is it kills the bacteria, and that's the reason that most of the food industry, suppose if it consists of, the food consists of suppose fruits or juices, or wine industries, in wine industries also it has been used because it kills the microorganisms, and thereby basically it will not infect the, and so this were the uses of disinfectants, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel.